I bought a Brompton clone because it was more affordable than a genuine Brompton. My plan was simple. Use the clone for everyday rides, errands, during bad weather, on rough roads, and situations where I did not want to risk my expensive bikes. The clone would be my practical, worry-free bicycle. But then I realized something. Although the clone was affordable, it was not exactly the kind of bike I wanted to ride. Some parts were not as comfortable or refined as I preferred. The saddle, tires, pedals, brakes, grips, gearing, handlebar position, and even the folding mechanism could be improved. And then there is also the problem of my own standards. I have become more particular about bike fit, comfort, reliability, and ease of use. I do not want a bike that is painful to ride or difficult to operate. Kahit affordable ang bike, gusto ko pa rin ng bike na komportable, praktikal at madaling gamitin. So, the upgrades became almost inevitable. I changed the parts that affected my comfort and riding experience. I was not upgrading just to show off. I was upgrading because I wanted the bike to work properly for my body, my riding style, and the way I intended to use it. But this is where the affordable clone began to change. The original bike may have been inexpensive, but after adding better components, accessories, and replacement parts, the total cost became much higher. I also invested time and effort into choosing and installing those parts. The clone was no longer just a cheap bike. It had become an upgraded clone, and it had also become special to me. That created the paradox. I bought the clone to protect my expensive bikes. But because the stock clone did not meet my standards, I upgraded it. After the upgrades, it became more valuable financially and emotionally. Now, I began treating the upgraded clone the same way I treated my expensive bike. I became concerned about rain, scratches, rough roads, accidents, theft, and ordinary wear. The bike I bought for worry-free riding was now another bike I was afraid to use. So I started thinking, maybe I need another cheaper clone for everyday rides. And this brings me back to the beginning, to square one. The cycle becomes expensive bike, affordable clone, upgraded clone, expensive upgraded clone, then another cheaper clone. The new clone is supposed to do the original job of the first clone, to be the simple, practical bike I can use without worrying too much. But if I repeat the same process, the new clone may also be upgraded and protected. Then, I will need another bike again. At that point, I have to ask myself, am I solving my riding problem? Or am I creating an endless cycle of bicycles protecting other bicycles? The clone itself is not the problem. It can be a practical and affordable starting point. The real problem is that I may slowly turn it into another project bike. Once I begin upgrading, its cost can approach the price of a better bicycle. And after investing so much into it, I may no longer want to use it in the situations for which I bought it for. So, before buying another clone or another component, I need to ask myself, is this upgrade necessary for comfort, fit, or safety? Will it help me ride more? Am I improving the bike for practical use? Or am I simply making it more valuable? And after upgrading it, will I still be willing to use it in the rain, in traffic, and on ordinary rides? Maybe I need to accept that riding a bicycle means using it. Using it means wear. It may get dirty. The tires will wear out. The chain will need replacing. The paint may get scratched. Parts may break. That is not necessarily failure or a bad thing. It may simply mean the bicycle is doing what it was designed to do, to be ridden, to be used, and to create memories. I bought the Brompton clone because it was affordable, but because I wanted better fit, comfort, and ease of use, upgrading it became almost unavoidable. And after those upgrades, the affordable clone became another bike I wanted to protect. That is the Brompton Clone Paradox. What about you? Have you ever bought an affordable bike and then upgraded it because the original setup did not meet your standards? Did the upgrades make it more practical, or did the bike eventually become too valuable to use freely? Have you ever bought another bicycle because the bike you originally bought for everyday use became too special to ride? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. Ride safe, use the bikes you work hard to own, and enjoy them while you can. See you on the road mga brad. Ingat.